say, Jason, and this is probably contrary to financial planning advice, but we often discourage people from agreeing to have life insurance in place for a couple of reasons. One, because we operate against the background of what the court will do. And the court of North Carolina, as of this time, as we sit here in 2026, they cannot order anyone to carry life insurance for anyone else's benefit. So in a agreement, it's dangerous sometimes when you have a 2-year-old child to say, I agree, I'll keep $1 million life insurance policy in place for the benefit of my child. Problems with that. First one is, we assume you're going to be insurable, and that's a big assumption in this day and age. Second problem is, we assume it's not going to be cost prohibitive, and it could be, depending upon your age and your medical condition and other things. And the other one is, you never want to leave it for the child's benefit who's 2 years old, right? And these are the things we're seeing coming across our desk. And, I'm scratching my head and trying not to sound like the jerk and say, like, we don't need to be agreeing to life insurance. You can be cooperative and go get this done by what you're talking about with a divorce trust. But I think people's fear is, if it's not in the contract, it's not enforceable, and I can't be sure that this is in place. And a solution we've often floated is, well, if you're the one that wants life insurance on this person's life, you can be the owner of that life insurance, and now you don't have to worry about premiums not getting paid. You don't have to worry about beneficiaries getting changed, because this may be shocking to some folks, but just because the separation agreement says the trust shall be the beneficiary, the trust doesn't know that. The company holding the life insurance policy doesn't know that. They're not a party to that agreement, and they're going to let happen whatever you do on a piece of paper for the beneficiary designation. And so if you don't have really, like you said, tight language, concise language around here, you can really end up with a headache. And it's not going to be your headache because you're going to be dead. It's going to be your family's headache trying to clean up the mess and paying lawyers to go up to litigate. And at the end of the day, my recollection of most cases have been whatever's on that piece of paper with the insurance company is what controls who the beneficiary is. And they could give two hoots about your separation agreement, court order, or anything else. Yeah.